Hello YouTube, I'm here to talk to you today about this really disgusting man who decided to sit in a chair for 2 years. He happened to have a girlfriend, and apparently she fed her for these 2 years. I don't know how he got a girlfriend. This is a picture of him. Okay. He is a 700-pound man. Wow. So he was an active man. He just decided to not exercise and just sit down on his couch for the rest of his life. Well, that's odd. He also didn't wear any clothes. So yeah. The man's name was, I have no idea, but he was a general, and apparently he used to be the world's fattest man. Now he did surgery and he's 600 pounds. So yeah, here's a picture again. And watch my other reports, send links, and I will answer your questions. And yep, bye YouTube. Clicking